Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. In this video I'm going to show you how to build a one-to-one voice and video call using ZEGOCLOUD. So first we need to basically explore ZEGOCLOUD. So it is a solution that enables enterprises and developers to easily obtain real-time audio and video communication capabilities by integrating a single SDK and enjoy smooth, reliable audio and video experiences on the top of privacy and security which is ensured by this platform. So let's explore ZEGOCLOUD, and I will create a very small functional app using Swift in UIKit and show you how a voice and video call can easily be built using ZEGOCLOUD. So let's get started. So ZEGOCLOUD basically has 30+ billion end users annually, 3+ billion daily call minutes it can provide you, 2+2 country and region it covers. Apart from that, there are 4,000+ businesses who trust ZEGOCLOUD, and the code can become live like within minutes because it does not need a lot of development. The APIs are very developer friendly. Here you can explore how it will be helpful for developers as well as for businesses. There are different type of solutions it provides: one-to-one call kit, group call, video conferencing, live streaming, and many other options. Apart from that, you can basically add AI effects to your calls. There are virtual avatars that you can develop. You can do the cloud recording of your voice and video calls, and then you can also incorporate in-app chats. So here it is a very interesting feature is basically the virtual world that is supported by ZEGO. So it provides, it can be used in any industry: education, telehealth, live shopping, fitness, collaboration. And then you can see some of the reviews of the businesses that have used ZEGOCLOUD to provide a seamless experience to the customers. So here you can see that it provides it covers all the development platforms. So I'm going to explore here the iOS, and you can see a very 5 to 6 lines of code, and there you will be able to basically get your hands on ZEGOCLOUD APIs and SDKs. So here is a quick start guide, documentation, demo apps, and developer blog from where you can get the relevant help to develop apps using ZEGOCLOUD. And these are basically the features that it provides. And again, it provides the privacy and security, which is very important for a communication app. So you can explore this website. I'm going to paste its link in the description box. So this is all about the basics of ZEGOCLOUD. Now let's try to sign into ZEGOCLOUD. So here I'm trying to basically sign up into ZEGOCLOUD. So I have already created account. I'm just going to show you here what fields you need to fill. So you are going to select your first name, last name, country, region, work email, and a verification code that will be sent to your email, and a password. After that, you have to check basically the checkbox, the lower checkbox, that to agree to the privacy terms and terms of service for ZEGOCLOUD. After that, you can press the button start your free trial, and it is going to take a few moments for setting up your account, and then it is going to basically take you to the dashboard. I have already the account, so I am just going to enter here my email and password, and then I will be basically navigated to the ZEGOCLOUD dashboard. So here you can see that a lot of information is here, but first we are going to create a new project inside the ZEGOCLOUD dashboard. So here I'm showing you some of the APIs that you can use to create a code. If you want to basically dig deep into ZEGOCLOUD, you will need these APIs depending upon the application, and it has all the relevant methods with their description and details and how you can use it inside your application. Now moving back to basically our creating a new app project, you can basically select here any of the case that you want to use inside your app. I'm using here the voice and video call. After that, I'm going to press the next button, and then you have to basically enter a project name and 2 ways to get started. You can either use UIKits or the SDKs. I'm using here the UIKits, and you can see that the Swift code is pretty simple, which is mentioned here. With custom SDKs, you can basically write a low level code depending upon the APIs. You can directly call them with your Zego Express engine. So here I am entering the name of the project as Explore Zego. It will take some time for setup. So it's setting up my project Explore Zego. After that, we are going to do some of the UI configuration of our app. So basically you can read the notes here, and here you can select basically one-on-one call or a group call. So I am selecting here the option of one-on-one call, and you can select the add-ons. So I am setting basically the default settings for this one-on-one call. So once you are done with this app, you are going to press done, and now you are going to see basically a quick start button and a try demo button. I am going to click here the try demo button, and you can see here a full-fledged app with one-on-one call and group call, both voice and video, and you can try this sample code and experiment with depending upon your needs. So basically you can from the left side select the projects management tab, and you can select further features that you want to add to your app, or you want to change features. You can do there inside the projects management tab. Rest of the tabs are basically once your app is set up, you can explore those. Now I am going to show you what quick start information contains. So basically it shows you all the steps that you can use to integrate your app inside with the ZEGOCLOUD. So basically you have to install a pod, and after that you are basically going to use this code to create a simple voice or video call, and then there are some permissions that needs to be added. So I am going to show you all of these steps in my video. So here I am creating the project, mention the same name, and also with the interface I am writing here storyboard, since it is to be developed in SwiftUI. So here the name of my project, you can create it, and then I'm going to install the relevant pods. So here I'm running the command pod init, and after that I am going to basically edit the pod file, add the relevant pods, and then execute the command pod install to install that pods. After that you need to open basically the project name.exe workspace instead of the project file, because that workspace contains the pods, and open it inside the Xcode. So you have seen that I have added all the relevant lines here, and it is giving me some errors. Two of the errors are related to basically your app ID and app sign-in that you can get from your ZEGOCLOUD dashboard, and the rest is basically a configuration we need to basically update it. So I'm going to update the code and show you how it looks like after fixing these errors. So you have seen that I have added some of the variables to assign the app ID and app sign-in. These are the dummy values. These are not the actual values. You can copy these from your ZEGOCLOUD dashboard. And now the error is also fixed at line number 28. You can copy this code from here. And now the code is all set. We are going to make some of the changes in the storyboard, where we are going to create a simple button and connect basically this IB action to that button. So here I have created the button and I have basically connected the IB action to it, and after that I'm going to play this code, and you are going to see that it is going to give me an error because we haven't added the relevant permissions of camera and microphone to it, which are necessary for this app to work. So now I am going to add these permissions inside my info.plist file. Now you can see that once I've played the code, it is working. We have several buttons at the bottom of the screen with switching on and off sound, camera, as well as switching basically the front and back camera. And once I press the call decline button, the view will disappear. So this is all for playing this app inside the simulator. After that, I have also played this app inside my actual device, my iPhone, and as you can see that it is showing me the front camera when I'm making the call, and I can switch it to the back camera, which is showing the back side of the camera, and I can switch on and off sound, microphone, and also I can switch off the camera. And once I press the cancel button, the call will close. So this is all for the coding part of this tutorial. So guys, this is all for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed exploring ZEGOCLOUD with me. I have just explored one of its feature, like for voice and video call integration. If you want to explore further features, you can sign up. It provides you free 10,000 minutes for a month and other features that you can try in a limited trial period. So do sign up to this ZEGOCLOUD platform, and I will mention all the relevant links inside the description box. Stay tuned for further interesting videos. Take care of yourself. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.